Let's cook. Let's make a one-pot pasta dish that really uses only ingredients with long shelf lives. Great for a boat or an RV without a fridge. This is creamy Italian sausage pasta using freeze-dried onion and parsley, grocery store grated Parmesan cheese, snack pack pepperoni, and canned evaporated milk instead of cream. We'll use fusilli pasta because that's what we have. We'll start about 30 minutes before the rest of the cooking by rehydrating the freeze-dried onion and letting it soak in water. Same for the parsley. Start by cooking a cup of pasta per person, in this case just one. 2 cups of bottled water since we don't trust what's in the tank. Cook for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. While that's cooking, give the onion and parsley a stir. Chop the pepperoni sausage into thin slices. I would love it if you'd like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let the pasta finish cooking. When the pasta is done, drain it and set it aside. We'll use the same pot for the rest. Drain the onion and parsley. Add a bit of oil to the pot. Add the onion. Saute for a minute. Add the pepperoni and saute for a minute. Add a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk instead of cream. And add 1/3 of a cup of the grated Parmesan. Mix well and let simmer for a minute to make a creamy sauce. Add back the cooked pasta and let it also simmer on low heat for a minute or so. Serve. Garnish with the parsley. Enjoy!